friends, today I decided to be super basic but very useful for those with short, medium and thin hair. So I'll show you 5 super easy buns that you can recreate in less than 1 minute, and I'll be honest, this is my third day hair, so it's not very clean, so I think this tutorial will be so useful. Before starting, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which one is your favorite and the easiest for you. So let's get started.
For the first one, we want to gather our hair like creating a low ponytail. At this point, we want to fold our hair like I'm showing and tie it at the middle like that. Now we want to make an opening and bring our bun through it and tighten it so everything is nice and secure. Now you want to use a tail of any comb that you have to smooth everything out and make your crown section beautiful. For the next one, we want to gather all our hair into a low ponytail again and tie it. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Also, if your hair is longer than mine, bring your hair one more time to create another loop. If your hair is shorter, guys, this is definitely your hairstyle. Then you want to make an opening, creating a pocket like that, and bring our hair into it. Then gathering the sides of our created bun, we want to bring them together so everything is smooth and nice, and use 2 bobby pins to fix it from both sides. If you need, you can use more of them. For the next one, we want to select our hair, leaving the hair behind our ears for later, and we want to tie it using an elastic. Last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, leaving the ends out. Now, grabbing your ends and the section left, you want to twist them together and bring it over your bun to hide your elastic, and twist it several times depending on how long your hair is. Tuck into the elastic the ends and then use some bobby pins to fix it. Next, again, we want to make a low ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through, leave the ends out. Then grabbing the ends, divide it into 2. You want to leave one of the sections away for later. Grabbing the section left, you want to lightly twist it, pull it. You want to tuck it into the elastic or pin it with a bobby pin. Then anyway, you'll need a bobby pin to fix this section in place like I'm showing. Then you want to grab your section left, twist it lightly and bring it over the elastic, pinning it underneath, and you want to fix it. For the next one, you want to make a low ponytail again. Make an opening, but this time horizontally, and then you want to bring the ponytail through it. Making sure your ponytail is nice and smooth, bring it over our construction created, measure how big you want your bun to be, and tie this section with a clear elastic. Hide the ends under your created bun like I'm showing and pin it at the base of the elastic. You want to use several bobby pins to fix it well in place.
Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel, and let me know in comments down below which bun was your favorite and what kind of hairstyles you'd like to see next. But that's it for today. I love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!